It's Rob here, and I'm sorry for the wet hair. I just got out of the shower. And today we're going to be reviewing, this is going to be our Nerf review. And today we're going to be reviewing the Nerf Mega Rotofury. And this is going to be a quick review. I love the design of this. Here's how you shoot it. If you guys know how to do this, then you pull this back and then forward, and then you shoot. If you're like slam fire mode, hold this trigger, pull this back, and it'll shoot. You can hear it too. Watch. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's far as like either 9, 10 mega darts. I don't remember. I don't have them with me, but yeah, you can put like scopes on there. You can make it a sniper rifle. Anything you want to do. So let's go to design. It's classic red half white. It says Mega right here. I don't know why it says it backwards. It says Mega, and it then says Rotofury right here. And yeah, it's got like a good shooting range. It's just really far and really high. Yeah, like bam, something like that. So yeah, I love the classic red, and they put the black, cocking mechanism. It's black. Yeah, and they got the orange dart loading mechanism. That's a little bit orangish, and the shooting hole right here, whatever you want to call this, it's also orange. Some of it is orange, but it's just all red. And out of the whole Mega Blasters, yeah, this one's my favorite. And this is gonna be my only Mega Blaster because my mom won't let me buy any more blasters. So yeah, this is gonna be my only Mega Blaster. Hopefully, well, I want more. I want to do more reviews, but yeah. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you click subscribe and click like, and I'll possibly maybe link in the description down below, because this is gonna be my next review. It's called the Nerf Rough Cut 2x4. I'm gonna be doing a review on this possibly in a couple days. I got tons of blasters downstairs. Half of them are Zombie Strike, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, and click like for Rotofury. And this is gonna be like my first review on my channel. So if you guys like this, make sure you click like for the Rotofury. And if you want to see more reviews, make sure to leave a comment, and make sure you pick what blasters that I have. Don't pick like the Maverick, the Deployed, or any blasters that I do not have. Only pick the blasters that I have with me right now, or any blaster that I only have right now. But don't pick like the Centurion or like Retaliator. Just don't pick those, because I don't have those. And yeah. So make sure you click like for Rotofury. And I'll be posting a video about this one. I don't know yet, but once again, if you're new to the channel and if you'd like to see more of my videos, please make sure to click subscribe and click like for Rotofury.